Good morning students, here is Jitendra Kumar, your mathematics teacher. In previous video we have started exercise 2.8 and till question number 7 we have done in our previous video. Next question number 8 beta. In question number 8, 6 bells means to tooling together. In case of bells beta, always you find the LCM. Okay, so gap is given of 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, 10 seconds and 12 seconds. After how much time they will, and in 30 minutes how many times they will tool together. These are given in second. So first we find the LCM by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then again by 2 beta. 1, 2 1 2, then 3 as it is, 2 2 4, then 5, then 3. Then again by 2. 1 1 3 1 5 3. Then by 3. 1 1 1 1 5 1. Then by 5. 1 1 1 1 1 or 1. LCM what comes from here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 5 to ja 10 0. 2 to ja 4 4 3 ja 12. Okay beta. So LCM comes is 120. But in question in 30 minutes they and 120 beta seconds. Okay, and in how many times they will tool together in 30 minutes? Number of times, how many times they will tool together in 30 minutes? Times they will tool together in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, first changing to second beta. 30 into 60. Okay. And divide by 120. Because what is your LCM comes in 120. Okay. Then 0 cancel by 0. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. By 2. 15. 15 times this comes from here beta. And one time they will initially together. 15 times हमारे पास में यहाँ से आ गया बेटा. They will do together. Okay. 15 time from here beta, and one time at the starting they will do together. So in 30 minutes 15 plus 1 16 times they will do together. एक बार जब वो स्टार्टिंग में बेटा एक साथ बजी थी और उसके बाद 30 मिनट में वो कितनी बार एक साथ बजेंगी? 15 टाइम्स. तो टोटल कितने टाइम्स आ गया? 16 टाइम्स. ओके. Next question number 9. Ninth question, ABC starting and they will reach again together starting point beta. Such kind of question always we find LCM. Okay, ABC starting running at the same direction in a circular path. ये हमारे पास में A, B and C. एक साथ बेटा हमारे पास में ए कितने राउंड में किए? ए हमारे पास में राउंड कितने सेकंड में कंप्लीट करता है? 252. बी 308 एंड सी 198. और मान लीजिए ए बी सी ने यहीं से स्टार्ट किया, ए ने बी ने भी और सी ने भी. तो ये तीनों कितने मिनट बाद में इसी सेम पॉइंट पे एक साथ होंगे? इन सच ऑफ क्वेश्चन बेटा वी फाइंड द एलसीएम. ओके, सो वी फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ 252 सेकंड, 308 second and 198. 252, 308 and 198. Divide by first by 2. 126, then 154. 2 9 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18. Then by 2. 63, then 2 7 ja 14. 2 7 ja 14, 99. Then no one number is divisible by 2, so we divide it by 3. by 3, 21, 77 as it is, 33 3 are 31. Then again by 3, 7, here 71 as it is, then 11. Then by 7, 1, 1, 1, 11, and then by 11, 1, 1, 1, 1. So LCM comes from here, beta. That is the multiplication of 2 into 2 into 2, 2 times 2, then 3 times 2 times, and 7 into 11. 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36, and 11 7 ja 76. Okay, then multiply 36 by 77. 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 7 3 are 21, and 4 25. Then 2 5 2 beta. So 277 means after 2772 seconds they will meet together. If you want to convert into minutes, then in 1 minute how many seconds? You know very well, 60. So divided by 60 beta. 64 ja 240. Subtract 732. Then 66 ja 360. Subtract 12. Means after 46 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay. First we find LCM, then we convert into minutes. They will meet together after how many minutes beta? Again 46 minutes and 12 seconds. Note it also beta. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास में क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. In question number 10, Tom has 72 inches and 42 inches two steel wires. What is the largest piece of wire? So in question of 10 beta, you find the HCF. Largest word comes, it means you find the HCF of 72 inch and 42 inch, and that is the length of largest piece of wire. I hope you understand well. So you will solve this question number 10 by yourself. Next question number 11. In question number 11, find the greatest number of 4 digit which is exactly divisible by. अब आप कहेंगे सर इस क्वेश्चन में भी greatest number आ गया, but here beta we have to find the greatest number of 4 digit that is exactly divisible by these numbers. In such of question we find the LCM first. So we find the LCM of 12, 18, 40 and 45. First divide by 2 beta. 6, 9, 20, 45. Then again by 2, 3, 9, 10, 45. Then again by 2, 3, 9, 5, 45. Then by 3, 1, 3, 5, 15. Then by 3, 1, 1, 5, 5. Then by 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. So what is your LCM comes from here? LCM is the multiplication of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 5 2 are 10, 0 2 2 are 4, 4, 3 3 are 9, 9 4 are 36. But it is not the greatest 4 digit number. Then you will write the greatest 4 digit number. Greatest 4 digit number is 9999. And you divide it by 360. 360 2 ja 720, subtract 9 7, then 2, then 9, 8. If we for 9 if we divide beta, then it comes greater than 2799. 8 0 are 0, 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 3 are 24 and 4. That is also greater than beta. So we write here 7, 0, 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 7 3 are 21 and 4 25. Subtract 9 7 and 2. Means from this greatest 4 digit number is greatest 4-digit number that is exactly divisible by 12, 18, 40 and 45. We subtract from this number beta, greatest 4-digit number, we subtract 2, 7, 9. Means 0, 2, 7, 9. 9720 is your greatest 4-digit number that is exactly divisible by 12, 18, 40 and 45. Next question number 12. Three brands ABC of biscuits are available in packets of 12, 15, 21 biscuits respectively. Equal number. Minimum what comes? So what you find beta? You will find here LCM. LCM of 12, 15 and 21. And if you not able to find out, then you ask me in live doubt class, okay? Next question number 13. In 13th question beta, what smallest number must be diminished by 7, that is divisible by 12, 16, 21 and 28. So first we find the LCM. And diminished means beta, if we subtract 7, means remainder is 7. It means first we find the LCM, after then we add 7. Question number 13. First we find LCM of 12, 16, 21 and 28 by 2. 6, 8, 21, 14. Again by 2, 3, 4, 21, 7. Then by again 2 beta, 3, 2, 21, 7. Then again by 2, 3, 1, 21, 7. Then by 3, 1, 1, 7, 7. Then by 7, 1, 1, 1, 1. So what is your LCM? LCM is multiplied of 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 into 7. Means 2 4 times and 3 into 7. Okay? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 3 is 48. 48 into 7 beta. 48 into 7. 7 8 is 56. 8 carry. 7 4 is 28 and 4. 7 8 is 56 beta. 5. 7 4 is 28 and 5. 33. And then the number is smallest number is beta, smallest number is that is diminished by 7 also, means 7 we add here beta. 7 if we subtract from it, diminished means minus beta, here if we minus 7 from it, so in answer we add 7. So 343 is your answer. Okay. Next question number 14. In 14th question beta, find the greatest possible length, means you find the HCF. HCF of 7 meter and 3 meter 85 centimeter and 12 meter and 95 centimeter. First we find the HCF. To convert first in centimeter, change the unit beta first. What we do? We just change the same unit. So 7 meter change into centimeter. 7 into 100 means 700 centimeter. Then 385 centimeter. And here 1295 centimeter. You know very well 1 meter 100 centimeter. After that we find the HCF. Because the greatest possible length we have to find out. So we write 385 outside and 700 inside. 2 ja beta, 5 to ja 10, 8 to ja 16, 1 17, 3 to ja 6 and 1 7. That is greater than 700. So it goes on 1. 385. Then subtract beta 5, 1 and beta. If we subtract from 6 minus 3, 3. Then we write here 385, 1 ja, 315 beta. Then subtract 0, 8 minus 1, 7. Then 315 comes here. 5s are greater, so 4s are 7 4s are 28, 0. Then 5, then 35, then 70. 35 2s are 70. Then next number 1295 divide by 35. 35 4s are 140 हो जाएगा बेटा, that is greater. 3s are 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 और 1 10. Subtract 4 2 5. 7s are 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 3s are 21 and 4 25. So the greatest length is greatest possible length is equal to beta 35 centimeter, is equal to 35 centimeter. And in next question number 15, a milkman that contains having the capacity of 180 liter and 162 liter, what is the capacity of the largest container? Means in 15th question you also find the HCF of 180 liter and beta 162 liter. Okay, and after that your answer comes. So that's all for today's video. I hope you understand this exercise 2.8. We will meet in next video with exercise next chapter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.